Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit video with this 2013 Ford F-150 with a 3-inch lift, 20x10 wheels with a negative 24mm offset, and some 35x1250 R20 XT tires, all-terrain tires. We had to trim this front valance as usual, and then there's also a second piece here on the F-150s that you have to trim as well. It's plastic. You can use like a box cutter or a small reciprocating saw, no problem. You'll need to trim that. And I also believe that they trimmed the inner fender in the front just a smidge. And then we come to the back, and they did have to trim a little bit of the fender flare, the corner of the fender flare, and then a little bit of the plastic that covers your rear part of your fender. On top of that, they had to bend probably like 1/4 of an inch, maybe 1/2 an inch, in order to get the tire to clear. And then they had to trim just a little bit of the inner fender as well. What they ended up doing with this is they ended up tucking the inner fender back behind the body pinch weld where the cab and the fender come and meet. They ended up just folding it back underneath and throwing in some sheet metal screws in there. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Honestly, personally, this is one of my favorite setups of trucks. The 3-inch is not too big and too intimidating, but it's a good size, and you still fit your 35s, and you still have that 20x10 with the offset. So absolutely love it. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.